If you've inherited a home in the Sacramento area and it's filled with items like clothing, books, kitchen tools, furniture, and you're looking for a place to donate those items and you'd like to get it picked up for free or for a small fee, that's what I'll be talking about today. Hey there, I'm Lisa Kwashnick, a realtor based right here in the Sacramento area and also a certified probate and trust specialist. I think I get asked this question a couple times a month, especially as clients are getting ready to sell a home and they need to get rid of some things. Either they don't want to move or they no longer use, but it's still in pretty good condition and it's something that someone else can use. When you've inherited a property, you may not have a lot of time, or maybe you don't live nearby, and so you're trying to coordinate people to help you load up and take items to a donation center. That might be difficult. I've got 5 options for you of organizations that are available to pick up items, and I'll also give you 4 other options where you may have to do a little more legwork, but they're such great places to support. To start with the organizations that offer pickup, the first is Habitat for Humanity of Greater Sacramento. I know a lot of times we just think of Habitat as an organization that builds or repairs homes for applicants that are willing to contribute sweat equity, but Habitat also has a retail outlet called Restore where they sell new and used building materials, light and plumbing fixtures, and other home furnishings. And if you haven't been in a Restore, it's a great place to find like inexpensive appliances or even some fun items that you can repurpose. There are 3 Restores in our area, one on North 10th Street in Sacramento, one on Industrial Avenue in Roseville, and another on Pleasant Valley Road in El Dorado, just above Shingle Springs. They accept new or gently used items like refrigerators, washers and dryers, furniture, home decor, and even leftover construction materials like lumber and plywood, as well as cabinets and fixtures. I'll put a link to their website in the description below where you can schedule a pickup. I believe they charge a pickup fee that's based on the size and quantity of items that they'll be picking up, and if they'll be having to move the items up or downstairs. The second option for pickup is the American Cancer Society, which has discovery shops throughout the Sacramento area where they sell clothing, accessories, jewelry, furniture, artwork, collectibles, and other household items. The American Cancer Society is working to provide everyone with the opportunity to prevent, detect, treat, and survive cancer. They have locations in Sacramento, Elk Grove, Folsom, Roseville, and Auburn. I'll also put that link below so you can find the shop nearest you and give them a call to arrange a pickup of your donation. St. Vincent de Paul is another well-known organization that will pick up your donated items. They offer person-to-person help with rent, utilities, transportation, clothing, food, furniture, housing, and housing goods. And they'll accept furniture, shoes, clothing, toys and games, electronics, books, furniture, and houseware items. The 4th option is a well-known organization, Goodwill. They've helped over 100,000 people train for careers in banking, IT, healthcare, and more. Not all Goodwill stores offer pickup, so I've linked their store location finder where you can reach out to them and ask if they have a pickup service near your property location. Number 5 is a website called clothingdonations.org, which is a service of Vietnam Veterans of America. VVA offers veterans claims assistance, financial advising, job placement, and they advocate on veterans' behalf through legislative initiatives. They'll pick up clothing and shoes, small appliances, kitchenware, electronics, and furniture. With any of these organizations, check out their websites to make sure they'll accept the items you want to donate. Many of them won't accept mattresses no matter their condition. They also won't accept anything that's broken, soiled, or considered hazardous, like paint and cleaning supplies. If you reach out to any of these organizations and they're no longer able to pick up donations for whatever reason, there is a website that I found called called pickupmydonation.com, and you can enter the zip code of the pickup location and they'll connect you with the thrift stores in our area and a local service provider like 1-800-GOT-JUNK, who may charge a fee, but will see that the items are recycled, donated, or properly disposed of. If you want some other options where you may have to put in a little legwork or time, I've got 4 more ideas for you. Let's start with social media. Apps like Nextdoor, Marketplace, and OfferUp, and other similar sites or apps may be great places to post your items. It's usually very localized, and there are many people in our community who may be struggling or are looking for an item that you have to offer. Jim and I just renovated a space in one of our rental properties, and we needed a stackable washer and dryer because the laundry area was too small for a conventional one. We had actually ordered one for over $1,000 when Jim found the exact same model on Marketplace for $400. It was nearly new. It was literally 3 blocks away from our house, and we were so excited. Third is an organization that is near and dear to my heart, St. John's Program for Real Change. They support women in crisis and their children through a comprehensive 12 to 18 month residential program. They accept items to support their families, from kitchen essentials and furniture to interview outfits and vehicle donations. They also accept bikes and toys. When Jim and I were running our nonprofit, I connected with St. John's, and I've personally seen the impact they have on the women and the children that they serve. Because they are connecting the donated items with the families that they serve, they may be a little pickier with what they'll accept and won't accept. If you do choose to reach out to them, it will be well worth it. And fourth, there are a number of smaller community thrift stores that benefit animal shelters, services for veterans, and hospice care. If there is something that's near and dear to your heart that you'd like to support, reach out to me and I'd be happy to connect you with the right organization or thrift store that supports it. There's just something special about the smaller thrift stores that are deeply invested in our community. I love supporting them because their work is very, very local and targeted. Thanks for tuning in. And if you know of any other organizations that accept donations or will pick up items, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, if you have questions about a property you've inherited in the Sacramento area, please feel free to connect with me. I've got all the ways you can contact us in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.